Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a day in my life with you. Yeah, every morning when I woke up I like to drink tea, especially Korean tea. Right now I'm already at the gym checking out my outfits. How do I look today? It's really nice. So yeah, I'm working out right now. I'm just playing some tracks and checking out some motivational posts on my Instagram. I would like to share the quotes with you guys.
Bro, and I love the hustle. I love the adrenaline. I love the feeling of putting the play together and like going all the way through with it and smiling at the end because it did more than what you even thought and expected shit to do.
Right now, I'm at the outlet exploring the street food. It is really beautiful out here. I'm having shawarma.
Yes, sir. Sa inyo po.
Sige po. Sashawin today.
Buy one take one po. Malalaki po yung patties na. Yes, sir. 2 burgers for 1 peso. Nakapili na sa akin sa atin eh. Ayaw.
That's it. It's raining right now. Capacity. Let's go.
Fried rice, japchae.
Beautiful food here. I also stopped by at Adidas checking out what they have. It is a lot of nice clothes out here. So for today, I'm heading home now. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you.